Hello. In this tutorial we will make tiny 555 timer circuit using surface mount components. We will solder them directly to the 555 timer chip. This is a regular 555 timer blink circuit, and this in my hand is same circuit with same components but in way more smaller package. Components are 3 resistors, 1 capacitor and 1 LED. All components except 555 timer are surface mount components that you can find on eBay. Size is 0805. A circuit can be used on breadboard directly. You don't need jumper wires anymore. If you have boring circuit on your breadboard, you can just add a couple of these to add blinking fun. So in this video I will try to show you how I made this fun circuit. It is fun project and also great soldering practice. Check description for part list. Let's get started. In my hand I have 555 timer chip. This chip have 8 pins. So this is pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. First step is to cut pin 5 and pin 4 because we will not use them, we don't need them. Next step is to bend pin 2 and pin 6 to bend them to connect them on the bottom of the chip. You can use some tools to achieve that. We will need to connect them using soldering iron to make good connection. Now we need to solder capacitor between pins 1 and 2. We will use 10 microfarads capacitor. This can be a little tricky, but it will be good soldering practice. I will place a little bit of flux and a little bit of solder on pins with tweezers. I will hold capacitor and solder it to the pin 1. Okay. Next step is to solder our resistors. Take 47K resistor and solder it between pins 8 and 7. Next step is to solder 100K resistor between pin 7 and pin 6. Flux will always help a little. So we now have two resistors and capacitors soldered to the chip. You can cut pin 7 now, and now we have only 3 pins on chip. Pin 3 we will bend pin 3 on the top of the chip. Pin 3 is output of the chip. Take a piece of wire and we will make extension of pin 1. Now we have pin 1 and pin 3 on the top of the chip. Between these two pins we need to put resistor and LED. This is maybe hardest part. I will take 220 ohms resistor. Near resistor I will place LED. I will place little bit solder on my soldering iron. With tweezers I will hold these two components and place lots of flux on the connection point, and just place soldering iron and these two components are connected. Now I just need place resistor and diode LED on my chip. That's it, our chip is finished. This is not great soldering job, but it's very hard to solder and filming with camera in the same time, recording with camera at the same time. I will cut these extra wire that I don't need. And now we need just to test it. Place your chip at the breadboard and it should blink. Left side of chip will be ground and right side of chip will be 5 volts or more.